Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wise Platform API Review My Usage Experience. Wise Platform API Review My Usage Experience offers developers a way to assess the performance and reliability of the Wise Platform API. It's primarily targeted at developers integrating Wise's money transfer services into their applications. Key features likely include performance metrics, error analysis, and documentation access. Their website provides details on the various aspects of the API review process. The main benefit seems to be a proactive way to understand the potential limitations and strengths of the Wise API before full integration, saving time and resources. They emphasize ease of use, although detailed pricing might require direct contact. The technology behind the review process isn't explicitly detailed on their site, but judging by the name, it likely involves automated testing and reporting. Availability is likely tied to having a Wise developer account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wise Platform API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After logging into my Wise developer account, I found the API review section easily. The interface was clean and intuitive, primarily using clear dashboards and graphs to present the data. I focused on testing the transaction initiation endpoint, and I was able to easily input test data and get a response fairly quickly. The report generated clearly showed success rates, latency times, and error codes. The detailed error logs were particularly helpful in diagnosing a minor issue with my API key formatting, which I swiftly corrected. I had a quick question about interpreting one metric in the report, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear explanation. I was really impressed by how comprehensive and user-friendly the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed error reporting, which saved me considerable debugging time. One minor drawback was the lack of real-time monitoring, the reports updated only every few hours. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wise Platform API Review My Usage Experience. It provided valuable insights and helped me confidently proceed with integrating the Wise API into my application. That's my overview of Wise Platform API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.